Welcome to course requesting for the class of 2026. There are 3 things that you need to complete to graduate from Scecina. 1. Earn credits toward a diploma designation. 2. Complete a capstone project that you will complete during your senior year. And 3. Meet at least one post-secondary ready competency. Here at Scecina, we offer 2 diplomas, the Core 40 Diploma and the Academic Honors Diploma. If you are going for the Academic Honors Diploma, make sure that you have all the classes you need to graduate with this diploma. For the post-secondary readiness competency area, you will be able to complete this requirement in several ways: receiving the Academic Honors Diploma, scoring a certain score on the SAT, which you will take your junior year, earn a C average or higher in career and technical education courses, which we offer in 4 different areas: accounting, business administration with a concentration in marketing, digital design, interactive media, or by taking 3 or more AP or dual credit courses, earning a C average or higher. One course must be in the core area. Your junior schedule will include Catholic theology, English, either academic, honors, or AP, geometry, either academic or honors, if you have passed Algebra 1 and Algebra 2, a science class, chemistry or physics or integrated chemistry physics. If you have taken and passed biology in one of these classes, you may choose an elective science class. U.S. history, either academic or AP, which would leave room for 3 electives. New courses we are offering next year are Business, Management Fundamentals and Marketing Fundamentals, Computer Science, Principles of Computing, Media Arts, Principles of Digital Design, Digital Design Graphics, also known as Radio and TV 1, Interactive Media Design, also known as Radio and TV 2, and Math, AP Pre-Calculus, and Science, Zoology, offered in the fall, and Botany, offered in the spring. History, Current Events, offered in the fall, World Geography, offered in the spring. Please note that if a student earns a failing grade, which is an F, in a core class, Catholic theology, English, math, science, or social studies, the student is required to attend summer school to recover the credits prior to the start of the 24-25 school year. During the summer school schedule, students are to proactively reach out to a school counselor if that is a concern. Letters will be mailed home along with other communications made to ensure students and parents are aware of the summer school requirement. Not passing a class this school year could affect eligibility to play IHSAA sports in the following school year. On Friday, February 23rd, the course requesting process will be live. Register for classes by Friday, March 1st. You will need to log on to your PowerSchool account at archindy.powerschool.com and select class registration from the options on the left. This will be the screen that appears when you select class registration. This is where you will select your classes. To do this, you will select the pencil to the right of the classes. When you select the pencil, a list of class options will show. If a class requires a teacher recommendation, it will be an option for you to select only if the teacher has recommended you take the course. Courses that are marked with an exclamation mark, as shown here, are required and you must select those courses to meet graduation requirements. Once you have selected all your courses, including 2 alternate courses, which should be different from the other course selections, make sure to select Submit once you have selected all of your courses. During the Class of 2026 presentation on how to course request, a packet of information was handed out. There was an intent to return form included in the packet. This form is due to the school counseling office by March 1st. We are here to help. Please don't hesitate to contact us in the school counseling office if you have any questions. Please reach out to me, Mrs. Huntoon, at khuntoon@scecina.org, Ms. Johnson at kjohnson@scecina.org, or Mrs. Trepanier at ttrepanier@scecina.org. Thank you.